Welcome to the Active for Life Movement Library. Today we're going to talk about dead bugs. This great little ab workout is perfect for beginners and can help strengthen your lower abs and transverse abdominus. Dead bugs don't look impressive, but they're not easy. So if you're just starting out, here are some ways you can progress and build your strength. Start out lying on your back, preferably on a solid surface like a bench or a floor, but these can be done in bed as well. A full dead bug involves moving your arms and your legs at the same time, but we're going to work our way up to that. For the first couple, we're going to just be moving your legs. If it's comfortable for you, place your hands, thumb and pointer finger in a diamond under your back, supporting your hips. As you're moving, you want to make sure that you are keeping your core engaged, abdominus braced, and lower back pressed to the ground. This prevents injury to the lower back. The first move is a one-legged heel slide. Keep one foot flat on the ground. You will lift the other foot a couple of inches. Now slowly slide it all the way out, hovering just above the floor, and then bend your knees, sliding it back up. You can repeat all your reps on one side and then the other, or alternate back and forth. When that starts feeling too easy, you will increase the intensity of your heel slide by lifting both legs off the ground and maintaining the hold while alternately sliding your heels out. Next up after the heel slide is the toe tap. Lift both legs into the tabletop position, ensuring that your knees are stacked above your hips and the calves are parallel to the ground. Your legs should maintain a 90-degree angle. You might find the knees falling into the chest, which makes the move easier and doesn't work those abs. Once you've got the right position, you'll keep your knees bent and drop your toes down to the ground. The next level is the full leg extension. Starting back in the tabletop position, you will fully extend each leg alternately. Last but not least, full dead bug. Arms and legs together. I especially love this exercise because it's one that not only challenges the body, but the mind as well. You're going to start with your legs in the tabletop position and both arms straight up in the air above your head. When you move, you will extend one leg and drop the opposite hand back above your head to the floor. Don't be surprised if this takes a moment of thought. If you're looking for more workout modifications, variations, and progressions, check out the movement library at activeforlifeonline.com. Leave me a comment below if you like this workout and if you want to see more, and keep following for more workouts like this.